VanLife introverts. VanLife introverts.
Roll out. Roll out the top back.
They're hysterical.
Okay, so this is the 2026 Westfalia Pop Top. It's another Pop Top. 159. It's like 10,000 more than that one became. But this is what I was talking about. So when you walk in, immediately you're just like,
you have nothing.
oh, it's tight. It doesn't really look pleasing or good aesthetics to it. I don't know if that's the right word. I don't like it already, and it's already 10,000 more than the other one.
Yeah.
But why is it 10,000? I don't know. You possibly got to go around and look. This is like built in. I like the flush. Well, I don't know.
You have a flush one.
Yeah, it is flush, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's craftsmanship problem.
Yeah, there's craft. Yeah. What is this? Does this fold out? Babe, this folds out.
So that's
this
a bed.
something.
Oh wow, it looks like a bed.
Yeah.
You want to go ahead and break that and figure it out?
Please, let me see.
I bet you it's a button. Maybe that's why it's somebody bought it. So we definitely
Oh, we can't do it.
I'm looking at the soul side.
Yeah.
Hey, because we be breaking things.
We do.
We just
by
be
accident.
breaking.
You should have seen us at the other RV show last year.
So we got to be careful. We see soul, we want to be extra careful for the person. So they're gonna see the video.
Yeah,
and they're gonna be like, they broke my van.
Yeah.
They broke it. It's right there.
So we're not going to touch anything. We don't. Although, let me look at this bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
The bathroom's okay.
It's tight.
Yeah, it's all right.
I don't know. Look, I don't know.
I bet they take this off because the one family they took this off. And then they kept the curtain.
So it has a little garage. Look how we can't even, it's impossible for you. I think my van we could squeeze around. Can we?
I don't think so, babe.
You don't think so?
No.
Look, I gotta come way out to down near the driver's seat for you to get back there.
Look, my hips.
Yeah, so see, look at her putting that butt through the little tightness right here.
Yeah,
This will keep you honest. When the day you walk through, you own the van, and then he's like, I used to be able to go through.
Yeah, and then now,
what happened? What happened?
That is definitely
not
but for people that are.
Well, it's got a pop top up here. I'm just not a fan of the pop top. But maybe you got kids or whatever. It looks like it's got a little firefly system.
I just feel like a leak is possible with pop tops.
Well, just more issues. Didn't we watch a video where someone was going down the road and the pop top just popped
came up? I thought we did, but I don't.
I don't know whose video that was. And then I don't like these where. See, we have a window van, so you see the fake that's a sticker, right? So it makes it look like a window van, but
it's not.
You know what? Why not just get a window van? That's you're kind of saying. We want it to look like a window van, but we're gonna put fake windows in it. But you didn't price it like it had fake windows.
No, you priced it like it had all windows.
Yes. So I'm not a fan of this one in the price. Maybe it's something I'm missing, but just off the bat, I think that when you get into a vehicle. Oh, you hear me talking?
I can explain it.
You want to explain it?
Yeah.
How you doing, Sean?
Real good. How you doing?
Hi. Why is this one? I'll tell you what. I'm gonna tell you what I feel.
Well, what are you comparing it to?
This one right over there. That what was that? The road track right there.
Road
in the
track.
Road track. So this
is
is technically road track as well. So
right.
it's on that same wavelengths. But let's take a look. This has got 30 cubic feet of storage back here. So when it comes to this spot back here.
So like a garage. That's kind of neat. I like the way you did that.
Yeah.
I like the way you did that.
We took these little panels out right here. That so now if you have something long.
So if you got I gotcha. And
put it back in here. Yeah.
And if you got a lot of stuff.
So here's the cool thing about this. Depending on what you need, you've got if you've got 4 people that need to be seat belted, 4 people that need to dine, 4 people that need to sleep. This van does it all. Plus, you can haul all their gear.
So where they'll seat? Okay, you got the 2 seat belts up front there,
And then how does
the 2
that
drivers
one?
Jump seat.
Yeah. How does Doesn't that open?
Let me show you that.
Okay.
So you've got the pop top, which you can sleep two up there.
Yeah.
You can sleep two back here. So there's four. But when you throw this one into the mix, you get this extra little spot. So there's a little release right here that pops that up.
That was we was trying. We seen someone bought it and we didn't want to break it.
Yeah.
Actually, we have a couple. Yeah. So this makes a really nice platform, but there's one more little rod in here we have to actually put in before somebody crawls on.
So don't get on
so it doesn't pop up. But so you got a nice platform here.
That's interesting right there. I mean, that's creative.
It is, and this is whether you're doing the pop up or the Skylight model, which the Skylight model doesn't have the pop up, just has a nice big skylight.
Okay.
Okay.
Better check that out.
Yeah.
So
I like that
sleep,
one.
That one would dine 4, seat 4, but sleep 3 comfortably. 4 if you stuff them in.
So,
right.
What's this brand name?
So
Westfalia?
Westfalia. Now, so a little bit of the history side of that is the company Rapido that kind of started the Westfalia thing really back in the 1950s, teamed up with Volkswagen. And through the 1960s, 70s, all 80s, all those pop tops, if you look, you're going to see that Westfalia name on them. Those are Westfalia, Volkswagen Westfalia, pop top buses and things. So once the Volkswagen platform kind of slowed down, kind of stopped really using them, Rapido ended up buying Roadtrek a few years ago, and then decided to start working on bringing the Westfalia back to the equation, and that's where we have it. So,
all right. Thank you for showing us that. We're going to look at this one because
so you work for Beckley's?
I work for Beckley's.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
You got expensive PDIs?
We don't have any charge for PDI.
So it should
no freight, no PDI.
So if I buy this, let's say I bought this at $160. That was the price we negotiated. Am I just paying $160 with tax?
Tax, tag, and title. We do have actually a $4.99 dock fee now.
So a dock fee. Okay.
but all not all the other stuff.
Yeah, and we kind of one of those things we had to kind of do. It was just the way the structure of all these things go now.
Yeah.
Because I'm just, there's some dealers that got some. You know what I'm talking about.
Oh, I know. We've heard different things. Everything from a $10,000 prep fee, freight fee, prep fee, to a $6,000 on a towable, which is crazy.
Yeah, so
or $4,000 for a PDI or whatever it was. I can't remember.
We've heard quite a few. We don't at Beckley's. We don't have any of that.
Okay.
That's good. Good deal. And what did you want to show us over here?
So this one's a Skylight. So you can get the Skylight model in this one. So this one's 20 feet 9 inches, and this is 19.7.
Oh, so it's a little shorter one.
It's short. It's a little shorter than ours right now.
Yeah.
The only thing I don't like about that has a shade.
Because I was going to shade.
Oh, good, because ours does not.
Let me show you that. So this one. From this side, so if you had this thing wide open, you could at least keep the bugs and everything out right there. But now the sun's coming out, you still want to have some kind of ventilation, and you have a little bit of privacy
it's
there.
like kind of the side windows.
But with this, you can then bring this down, put this over there, and now if it's a little drizzly or so, you can still have ventilation up here, still keep the bugs out. And
does rain come in like that, or is it kind of like?
It depends. If it's a driving rain, it'll come. If it's just a little drizzle, it'll keep it.
Neat.
That is.
Neat.
And it's available with the induction cooktops as well as a little 2-burner gas stove that's combined with a sink.
I'm going to just...
Sure thing. Oh, and I mentioned that it dines.
Yeah, so this is my first time seeing something like that.
Yeah.
So with what this does,
look.
now you can actually, so now when you drive spin the driver's seat around, you have this person, these, and then this thing comes all the way over here for this person. So, like I said, seatbelt 4, dine 4, sleep 4. Well, this one's 3 comfortable.
Yeah, because what we have.
Yeah, I have an Integra Ethos.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't know if you're familiar with the layouts, but 20A is the rear kitchen.
We like the
which
rear
is
kitchen
unique.
though.
Yeah, that's unique.
It's kind of unique, but we do like it.
Yeah.
But
in our
the one thing
bathroom.
though, like most of these vans utilize the space. Since house kitchens, we don't have this space utilized for anything.
It's for anything. Well, we have a captain chair and a captain chair in between.
Yeah, like 2 captain chairs. Yeah.
And then
kitchen in the back.
the kitchen,
bathroom.
But our fridge is
like right
here, and it's a bigger fridge.
Yeah,
But
yeah, that's nice having a bigger fridge.
Yeah.
The location of this one means if you're standing outside, you could actually
You can just
open
reach
that and
in.
reach in and grab.
Yes.
grab
wouldn't that
stuff.
be so easy?
That
Because
is
what
nice,
we
'cause
do
I go
now,
in.
well, we have to come all the way in.
And
And,
a little counter.
oh yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
But this
That's neat.
is nice
That's neat.
because
And
we
they can
have
be
a
moved
little
on
one.
that plane over there
Okay.
too. So
Oh, and this turns into the bed
the
too.
Yeah, you have to pop the headrests off, spin the driver's
Yeah.
seat, take the table out, and then that whole thing will flip. But
Yeah.
so there's a couple little pre things that you have to do. And this is a bathroom that has a window in it.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, look, babe.
Oh yeah.
Can
look
you
at
see
that.
it?
Yes, I do.
That's
So
nice.
one of the other concepts was kind of with the Westfalia thing was, if you look, there's no fuzzy stuff on the walls, like no carpeting type of suede or anything like that, and there's no carpeting on the floors. It's all something that you can clean, whether it's the walls, the padded ceiling, the floors. It's all designed to be clean.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, little LED light, accent lights.
Yeah.
All the way
all
down.
kinds of little LED,
Okay. Uh-huh.
accent
Here,
lights
babe,
all through.
trade me. Feel this. It's soft.
Trading? Okay. Yeah. It's
Yeah.
one thing. Okay.
We don't like our.
So what's this step right here? Is it an auto retract
It is
down
auto
here?
retract.
Ah,
Ooh,
there's
it's a stick bug.
That's one of those lantern flies.
Oh, that's what they look like.
Good.
That's the kill on site bugs. Yep.
Good.
So I
because
did
we were
the country
wondering
of
what-
faith. They kill the
we just-
vegetation and stuff.
As far
Yeah.
as a bug goes, they're a pretty bug, but you got to kill them.
Yeah.
But they're a challenge. If you come from them from the front, you're going to have an easier chance. If you come from the rear, for some reason they must have eyes in the back of their head because they're able to see what's coming up
Wow,
behind
that's
them.
my first real life lantern
Yeah.
fly.
See, we're not from here, so
where
whenever
you
we
from?
were driving up, close to Kentucky. Yeah. So whenever we were driving up,
Oh, here, I can get out of the way.
we
you
read
did.
about them, about the lantern.
Yep, that's so darn
I told him, I said, we are not letting the awning out.
So I should
look
add,
at
there's,
this.
there's a couple other things that maybe
This
I didn't even
slide's so
discuss with you
nice.
about this, and one was the power plant.
Okay.
So these all have underhood generators. So there's no generator itself on here. So when it comes to running the roof ACs, you're working just off lithium batteries. Now once the batteries get down to a point where they're pretty well depleted, unlike a lot of these ones that have just battery power type of things, when you turn the engine on to regenerate the power, you have to bring it up to a high of like 1500
Yes.
RPM. This one, you can actually do it at just a regular
Regular
idle.
idle, okay.
And in about an hour and 40 minutes, you'll be back up to 100%.
All right. Okay.
Now, does it have solar up at the roof?
It
on
does.
the
So
roof?
this one, when you do the Skylight, you get 300 watts of solar. When you do the pop top, it's 200 watts.
Okay.
3,000 watt inverters to be able to run everything from the AC, the microwave,
This
the outlets.
outside light right there.